Step into a world of premium homes and extraordinary living. Welcome to Webb's Reserve in Punta Gorda, Florida, a Lennar lifestyle community at Babcock Ranch. Explore a lifestyle where you wake up and choose how you live every single day. Offering beautiful new homes with refined amenities ideal for staying active, social, or relaxed. Tennis and pickleball courts invite you to a lively game. Fill your days with sunshine at the resort-style pool. Connect with friends at the social clubhouse. Delight in our championship 18-hole golf course, crafted by renowned Nicholas Design, spanning 7,055 yards, and delivering a premier experience at every turn. At Webb's Reserve, you can experience wellness your way and enjoy beautiful homes with elevated interior details throughout. Offering Lennar's signature Everything's Included package, where the designer upgrades come standard. Choose from condos starting from the 200s to estate homes from the high 900s. Start your next best chapter today.